Hey beautiful people, today I am making a refreshing summer drink that's perfect for cooling down on hot days, the tropical cucumber splash cooler. This easy to make beverage combines the crispness of cucumbers and the tropical sweetness of pineapples. Let's dive right in. For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: cucumber, pineapple, sugar, water, and ice cubes. First, let's juice the cucumbers and pineapple. I recommend using a high-quality juicer for the best results. If you don't have one, check out the link in the description box. It's powerful and efficient, perfect for this job. Juice the cucumbers and pineapple separately. You should end up with a vibrant green cucumber juice and a golden pineapple juice. Now let's combine the juices. Pour the cucumber juice and pineapple juice in a large jar. Add 2 tablespoons of white sugar and 4 cups of cold water. Stir well to dissolve the sugar. To enhance the flavors, refrigerate the mixture for at least 1 hour. This also helps to chill the drink thoroughly. After chilling, it's time to serve. Fill your glass with ice cubes and pour in the chilled tropical cucumber splash cooler. For an extra touch, garnish this drink with a slice of cucumber. It adds a beautiful look and an extra layer of freshness, perfect for any summer day. And there you have it, the tropical cucumber splash cooler. It's hydrating, refreshing, and incredibly easy to make. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. For more delicious recipes and tips, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and cheers to a cool and delicious summer. See you next time.